One is that despite trying so hard, we are not able to do and achieve our goals which we set for ourselves in the start of the year. But nothing is working out ourselves. But let me tell you, we don't realize this. It totally depends on the things we are doing on daily basis. It matters a lot how you planning your day and how you spending your day. So everything depends on that thing. So let me tell you one thing is that if you follow these routines at least for 1 month or at least for 15 days, you will see the difference and you will feel confident within yourself, and you will realize what mistake you were making before when you were not getting any kind of results. So without further waiting, let's start it. First thing is never ever use the mobile phone right away when you wake up. Don't even check your emails or anything, nothing. You just put your mobile just far away from you, right? Especially right after you wake up. Especially don't use mobile at least for 2 hours or at least for 1 hour when we wake up. It's a mess. You don't even realize is that how much is affecting your mental health, your physical health, because when you wake up you need so many nutrients in your body and you need healthy lifestyle right away when you wake up. That's why it's really important that when you wake up, don't just open your mobile, because the harsh light directly reflecting in your eyes, it's affecting your mental health. And you can read so many articles online where you can find the consequences of of using mobile right away after waking up in the morning. It's a mess. You don't even realize it. So if you really want to upgrade your life, it's a request that don't use your mobile right away after waking up, because as I told you, that one of the reason is that you feel anxious if you see someone else progressing more than you and just sharing their lifestyle on daily basis. So it will definitely making chemicals and giving you a space of the negative thinking in your mind, especially right away when you wake up. So please be careful about that. So and the next step is. It's a let me tell you another solution, how you can stop using mobile right away, is that just when you wake up, just set your mobile in the gray mode, because there are so many colors when you wake up, so it's confusing your mind and just not good for your health and brain and your eyes even. So it's really important, if something is really important and you can't stop yourself, so what you can do is just set your mobile on gray mode, and not just for 1 hour. You have to, it would be better if you use your mobile in gray mode at least for 5 to 6 hours, because you have no idea. It's research, it's proved by research that if you use your mobile with so many colors and so many attracting screen, so it's affecting your productivity, your brain health, your mental health, your eyes. So it would be better to set your mobile on gray mode. It really help you. Please follow this. I'm trying to follow this routine, especially I don't use mobile right away after waking up. It's a really a big thing. So after that, what you have to do is take tiny small action, you could say it, that one of the reason you are not achieving anything, and you are just continuously in an anxiety mode and in anxious mode, because you are not taking any kind of action which is needed to progress in your and to further grow in your career. So it's really important that you should understand this, the importance of taking a small action. I'm not saying that just right away take a very big action and put yourself in some kind of danger. No, it's not work like this. You have to start with a very tiny and small step. You have no idea when you start taking action, small action, you will see the difference and you will see the results, because this is the fear. This is all about your fear. Because of the fear, you are not taking any kinds of risks, and you are just constantly thinking and overthinking about that thing. What happened? How I'm gonna survive? I'm not gonna do anything in my life. This is, but the reason behind is you don't realize is that because of the lack of action, you are facing this difficulty. So keep in mind this thing. Just I'm not saying this, just and take your own decision, because it's your life and you are responsible for it. And don't care about that if your decision is right and not right. It doesn't matter, because what happens is that we just give so much power to other people who can take decision for our lives. So trust me guys, it will in the long term, it will, you have no idea, it will definitely cost you a lot, or you will feel helpless at some point, because you don't feel confident there, and start doubting yourself that I can't do this, how I'm gonna do this thing, because you are so much dependent on other person. So just I'm not saying that you should do this, but if you have any kid or any child or any sibling, so just make him or her in power, and just give some kind of responsibility or force, or just encourage them to take their own decision. It will definitely help you in long term, because it's a very important skill. If you don't train your kid or train yourself to take your decision, or just take a small action to make your life easy. So you have no idea, you are already making your life difficult by not taking any action or by not taking any decision, your own decision. Otherwise you will have to face the consequences. Because if, let me give you an example here, if someone give you any guidance and you just accept it, that and you follow their request or you follow their guidance and advice, so what happens is that because you don't feel confident in yourself and you just don't trust yourself and you are doubting yourself a lot, and you have no idea that because of the other person's decision, you already, if something bad happened because of that decision, you will continuously blaming, not only blaming that person, but you start doubting yourself, and you have no idea that because of that decision you will have to face a very bad situation, you could face a very bad situation. So I always force and always encourage people to take their own decision and take a small action. It doesn't matter, because one day you will take the right decision and one day you will take the wrong decision, but you will what will happen, that you will feel confident within yourself by taking that decision, and your personality will be stronger day by day by taking these kind of small action, and you will feel happy as well. So and now move to the next thing, that is, if you really want to upgrade your life and you want to be successful like other people or more than other people, so let me tell you, when you wake up first thing in the morning, you should start writing something in your notebook, or you could say start journaling, rather than using mobile and wasting your time by watching TikTok long hours. Right, start in the morning. It would be better that just write something in your journal or in your notebook about what's going on in your mind and what you want to do that day specifically, and what goals you set for yourself. So just go through that and just think about that how I'm gonna achieve this goal, and just breaking down those goals to achieve and more successful in your life. So now move to the next step. And one of the most important thing, especially you know that in Pakistan or in Asian country, if your English skills are not good, you have to face a lot of difficulty. So what I would suggest for this issue is that when you wake up, just read something. It doesn't matter what topic it is, just whatever you want to read and whatever interest you have, just read about it. It could be about sports, it could be about politics, it could be about entertainment news, it could be about latest technology. But you have to read daily and develop that skill. By doing journaling, your writing skill getting a better day by day, and by reading that skills, your speaking power and then your reading power is getting better day by day. So it's really important to work on this and make these things and take it as a hobby. And you have no idea, if you follow this routine, you will start enjoying this routine, and you will see, when you work in the working environment in a corporate sector or anywhere else, you will feel upgraded, and you will feel that I am doing better and I'm improving day by day. So you have to make a routine for yourself and just follow these steps. And one of the most important thing is take action. If you don't take any kind of action, either it's good or bad, just take it and just keep thinking about it and overthinking about it. So trust me, guys, you are not going to achieve anything. You will be unsuccessful badly, because these are the steps, small steps. By following these steps, you will make your life better and easy in a long term. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video, and I will make more videos like this in future, which help you to further grow in your career, and you can increase your productivity and master your productivity by following these tips. And trust me, guys, I have been following these things, and that's why I thought I should share this video also, because I've been facing a lot of challenges and a lot of difficulties when I was not following a roadmap, or you could say a to-do list to make my life easy. So now I've been doing this for quite some time, so I'm getting results as well. So that's why I thought I should share this with you. So that's it for now. Hope you like this video. Bye.